Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are actually going to do an unboxing. I have my LookFantastic and my Glossybox to unbox for you today. Unfortunately my Birchbox has not arrived yet, but that's okay. We can dedicate a separate video for it. So if you want to see what I got in my boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with Glossybox. This box is super light, so I am not sure if the contents are going to be worth it, but you never know. Great things come in small sizes, as they say. Let's open this little guy up. It's so like cute because it's pink and with hearts around it and inside of it. Oh my goodness, I love it. So these are the contents. I guess the contents are blocked by this little guy, which is the Rose Gold Dust Sheet Mask, and this is by the brand Vita Masks. So this is the mask. This is a luxurious moisturizing Korean face mask made with gold dust and rose extract to moisturize your skin. Love it. I love sheet masks. I use them fairly often, to be honest, at least once a week. So I always love getting sheet masks in my boxes. Next up we have two fragrances. We have the Mugler Alien Man Fusion Eau de Toilette, and also we have the Alien Fusion Eau de Parfum, which I imagine is for the women. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let me smell the men's one to see if it's nice, if I can give it to Archie. It's nice, it's fresh, but it's nothing like the Chanel Eau de Bleu Chanel. I think that's what it's called. I love that scent on him. It's lovely. Okay, so let's check out the women's one. Maybe I should do it. The women's one is actually fairly nice. It's warm, it's sexy, it's florally, but it's not musky. I hate musky scents, so I can definitely see myself wearing that and actually putting this into my bag on the, to have it on the go. Next up I have the Luxy Beauty brush, and this is the Luxy 560 medium fan. So this is what the brush looks like. Let's open it up and let's check this little guy out. Oh, it's nicely packaged, like safe. It is a fan brush. I use fan brushes for contouring, so I could definitely use another one. I love just putting, a dark contour here and using this to blend it out. I don't really use them for highlighting because I find them useless for that. However, for contouring, it's very good. And next up, I have the Regenerate Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. I received this little guy before in an did I receive it in a LookFantastic box or a Glossy box? One of these boxes anyways. It's a nice product. It's a repeat product, so it's a minus for me, but I love this for traveling, so I'm gonna use it up. Obviously it's toothpaste, so I gotta. Next up I have the Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Flirt. So this is the lip liner, and let me just swatch it here for you. Oh, love the color. It's so nice. You know what? This reminds me of Kylie's Dolce K. Let me just get it so we can compare it. Maybe we have a dupe. Okay, I have Kylie's Dolce K, and I'm gonna draw it here. No. The Huda Beauty's one is a lot more darker than Kylie's Dolce K. It was worth a try. I love Huda Beauty's lip products. They're amazing, so I'm really happy about that, and I think I have the shade Flirt actually in my collection, so I have a matching lip liner now. And the last product, 1 2 3 4, I guess so, yeah, the last product is the Lord and Berry Magic Brow Perfect Eyebrow Pencil. So this is what it looks like, and let's give it a swatch. Okay, it's hard. and damn, it's dark. Let's see how it works on my eyebrows. Okay, it's not bad. Honestly, it will probably suit my eyebrows. So it's a lovely size as well, because it's like half the size of a normal eyebrow pencil, I guess. So it's great for traveling, doesn't take up a lot of space, and the shade is nice. Let's hope the staying power will also be nice, which we will test out fairly soon. So let's check this out. I mean, honestly, it's a nice box. I'm gonna use every single one of these things. I'm gonna count the perfumes as one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 products this month, and for me it is a 5 out of 6 box. I'm only giving it a minus because of the toothpaste, which I have received before. You know, it's a repeat offender, so what can I say? But to be honest, this box is a little disappointing. The only really 2 things that were kind of decent is the Huda Beauty lip liner and the Vita Masks sheet mask. Oh my goodness, this is a mouthful. The rest are, you know, nice to have. So I'm not thrilled, but you know, it's all right. It's time for the Look Fantastic box. This one is always so heavy, but that's because of the magazine. So super cute pink and rose gold, my favorite color. And a little sneak peek, next month we're gonna get the Ordinary I can never say that word. It's hyaluronic acid 2% plus vitamin B5. So I don't think, yeah, so this little guy will be getting next month. Cute. I really like the Ordinary. I have a oil from them, which is very good. Smells like old socks, but it works, so who am I to complain? These are the contents. It's kind of scarce as well as the Glossybox, but we will not judge. Okay, first thing, Philip Kingsley Maximizer. This is a water thingy maximizer. This is what it looks like. I don't really use products like this because my hair, I don't think my hair is flat, to be honest. It's heavy, but it's not flat. It doesn't get frizzy at all. So I mean, I've got fairly good hair in terms of hair, so yeah, probably not gonna use that. So I might give it away to a friend that has flat hair, which I don't think I have a friend with flat hair. Oh no, maybe I do. Oksana, if you're watching this, it's coming your way. And next up I have the Do Say Punk Volumizer Mascara. So there we got a mini mascara, which is great. I love mini mascaras because, again, for traveling, even if you're just going away somewhere for a weekend, even to your parents to sleep overnight, I don't know, this is great. I'm not going to open it because I like to keep my mascaras closed before, you know, they expire. So I have a few mascaras that I'm using at the moment, so I'm going to use them up and then I'll open this one up. Next up we have the Lord and Berry Maxi Matte Crayon Lipstick. So this is the crayon and this is the shade. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, it's a pretty color. I really like this. It's rosy. Is that how you would categorize this color? I think so. It's a lovely rosy color. I have so many lipsticks that I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lip products in my project pan, which I am trying to go through. I'm literally using them every day just for the sake of using them up. So it's nice to have a product, I think, that, you know, will not really expire as quickly. So yeah, plus it's not like a full size, it's kind of half a size as well, so you know, it's going to be quicker to use up. Pretty color, and it's a matte type as well, so it will probably stay on your lips for a little bit longer than your typical lipstick. Next up, I have the Sleek Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette in the shade Light. So let's open this guy up. I already have this, but it's not really a repeat product because I bought myself the other one. So this is what it looks like. I love the highlighter and I love the bronzer. They're really, really good. I'm not a fan of this blush because it's so shimmery. I literally despise shimmery blushes, so yeah, I never really use this little guy. However, the highlighter and the bronzer are great. So this little guy is gonna go to a new home because I already have this palette, but it is a really, 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 really good product. So not a minus because I bought the other one myself, but you know, I already have it, so someone else might benefit from it. Next up, I have the Erno Lash Line New York Exfoliate and Detox Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. So we got a bar of soap. It's so funny. Let's open it up, and it's so tiny. Look at this. This is again perfect for traveling. I love this. Like, why would you pack a shower gel if you could have this little bar of soap with you, you know? And it is probably with, let me see. Oh, fuck. Wait a minute. It's a facial bar. It's not. I am so stupid. I should read the things before I talk. Yeah, it's a facial bar. So it's a bar of soap for your face. And it has sea mud and charcoal to draw out impurities and visibly reduce pore size. So it's basically a cleanser for your face. Interesting product. I will definitely give this little guy a try, and I will update you probably in my empties. But yeah, that's interesting. And the last product I have is the Emite Makeup eyelash curler. So actually, I'm gonna open it up because you won't be able to see it through the packaging. Oh, it's a beautiful kind of copper rose gold color. So I don't really curl my lashes, but what the hell, let's give it a try. I already have mascara on, but who cares? Did it work? Oh, I think it did. Oh, maybe I should use them more often. Wait, let me try the other eye. Oh my goodness. Huh, it works. So there you have it, folks. The eyelash curler in your LookFantastic box works, and damn, I should use them more often because my lashes are so small that I have to load up mascara to even actually, you know, so that they actually even show up. But yeah, it works, you guys. So let's count it. Okay, I think it's kind of easy. This one is another 5 out of 6 box. This guy I'm not gonna even use because I don't use stuff like this in my hair. However, the rest of the products are great. So this one was not as disappointing as Glossybox, so I have to give it to LookFantastic this month. It was a good box, not great, but not as disappointing, if you know what I mean. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see me try out these products from these boxes, because I haven't done a video like that before. So if you want, I can do that from next month on. Just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!